Have you ever seen a bird rolling around on an anthill or rubbing ants all over its body? It's not some weird new dance move. This behavior is called anting, and it's one of the coolest mysteries in the bird world. So, what's actually happening when birds go anting? Some birds, like crows and thrushes, pick up live ants with their beaks and carefully wipe them through their feathers. That's what scientists call active anting. Others just flop down on a busy anthill, wings spread, and let ants crawl all over them. Yup, that's passive anting. But why would a bird willingly cover itself in ants, of all things? Well, ants release a chemical called formic acid. For birds, this works almost like a natural bug spray. When birds rub ants into their feathers, the formic acid helps fight off parasites and soothes itchy skin. It's basically a spa day, but with ants. Here's where it gets even more interesting. Some birds use anting right before eating the ants. The theory is, by wiping the ants through their feathers first, the birds neutralize those nasty defensive chemicals, making the ants tastier and safer to snack on. Even though scientists are still puzzled about some details, one thing's clear: birds are much cleverer than we think. Anting is a perfect example of how they use nature's own toolkit to stay healthy and comfortable. So next time you spot a bird getting cozy with some ants, don't be alarmed. You're witnessing a natural marvel, a little mystery that shows just how inventive our feathered friends really are. Keep watching the skies and the ground. You never know what brilliant bird behavior you might spot next.